Estate planning is a lot like wearing a seatbelt. Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. And I'm about to drop this knowledge on you. Before I get to that though, I want to let you know, if you want to talk about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, estate planning and seatbelts. At first glance, you're probably thinking to yourself, these are not alike at all. But in fact, they are. There are several similarities. I'm going to run through them right now, just so that you know. First things first, when you wear a seatbelt, do you feel like you are more or less likely to get into a car accident? No. You get in, you put your seatbelt on, and you go on your merry way. You don't think to yourself, should I put this seatbelt on or not? Because I might actually get into a car accident. No, you don't. Estate planning is the same way. Creating your estate plan, executing a power of attorney, medical power of attorney, doing your will is not going to increase your chances of dying. Trust me. I've done hundreds of them, and literally no one has done their estate plan, left, and died. Thank goodness. Okay, there are many, many people out there that are still living great, fabulous lives after doing their estate plans, including myself. So I think a lot of times people think if they do things, they're going to sort of invite some kind of disaster. The other way or another way that estate planning is like wearing your seatbelt is, thinking about it maybe for the first time is not a very fun experience. When I tell my kids to put their seatbelt on, I tell them, you could get in a car accident, so you need to wear your seatbelt. When I see a car accident, I remind them, this is why we wear our seatbelts. That's not very good feeling. It's not great. The same goes with estate planning. To complete your estate plan, you have to consider your untimely demise. You have to consider yourself being incapacitated. Nobody wants to do that. But I can guarantee you, the moment that you are done with your estate plan, you will stop thinking about that. You will just move on with your life, and it will be wonderful. And the way that we do our planning, the way that our systems are set up and our processes and our team works, we can do it pretty fast. So your level of discomfort is going to be minimal at best, all right? And you will actually feel good, just like when you do put your seatbelt on. When you are done with your estate plan, you will feel good because you have taken care of your family, you have taken care of yourself, you have the security and the certainty that you and your family are protected, just like wearing your seatbelt. Third and final thing, if that similarity between estate planning and wearing a seatbelt is, if you ever are in a car accident, you are so grateful that you had your seatbelt on. The same thing goes with life. If anything ever happens to you, and I do see things happen all the time, if anything ever does happen to you, having your plan in place, having your people in place, having an outline of what you want to do, that's the best gift that you can give your family. It's the best action that you can take. It's the loving thing to do. Okay, so be like your seatbelt, do your estate plan, and get back on with your life. All right, that is it. As always, if you have questions about this, or want to talk about anything related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. And as always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.